Ladies and gentlemen, meine Damen und Herren, my name is Nick Pickard. I'm the Europe Director at the Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office. And it's my great pleasure to welcome you here to the Victoria and Albert Museum this morning. Thank you very much indeed, Mr. Hunt, for making this wonderful space available to us. It's a particularly warm welcome to our German guests. Sehr geehrter Herr Bundeskanzler, sehr geehrter Herr Bundesaußenminister, es ist mir wirklich eine Ehre, Sie in den prunkvollen Räumlichkeiten des Victoria and Albert Museums willkommen zu heißen. Prime Minister, Foreign Secretary, members of the press, ebenso Vertreter und Vertreterinnen der deutschen Presse, thank you very much for joining us today here. We're here to witness the signature of the Treaty of Friendship and Bilateral Cooperation, to be known as the Kensington Treaty, between the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland and the Federal Republic of Germany. It's a historic moment that celebrates the strength and depth of the bilateral relationship between our countries and our peoples, now and for the future. So may I invite the Foreign Secretary, the Right Honourable David Lammy, and the Federal Minister for Foreign Affairs, Dr. Johan Wadefull, to sign the treaty.
Well, let me begin, Chancellor, by welcoming you to London, to the United Kingdom. It is a fantastic thing, and it's a privilege to have you here today, particularly to sign this Kensington Treaty, which is a very special treaty because it's the first of its kind ever, if you can believe it, between our two countries. Yeah. And I see it very much as evidence of the closeness of our relationship as it stands today, the strength of our values, the strength of our joint approach, but also very much as a statement of intent, a statement of our ambition to work ever more closely together, the closest of allies, and whether that's on defence, security, trade, the economy, energy, covers so much in this treaty. And so this is a really historic signing of a historic agreement, and it's very, very good to welcome you here in order to do so. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, again. Yeah, Honourable Prime Minister, dear Keir Starmer, many thanks for inviting us to come to London today to sign this treaty. Ich freue mich sehr, dass ich zusammen mit den Außenministern heute die Gelegenheit habe, diesen Vertrag zu unterschreiben. Das ist ein historischer Tag für die deutsch-britischen Beziehungen. Es ist auch für mich persönlich eine große Ehre, heute hier zu sein, in diesem Museum, das ja zwei Namen trägt, die auch die britische und deutsche Geschichte eng miteinander verbinden. Wir wollen enger zusammenarbeiten, insbesondere nach dem Austritt des Vereinigten Königreichs aus der Europäischen Union. Es ist überfällig, dass wir einen solchen Vertrag miteinander abschließen. Wir wollen im Bereich der Verteidigung enger zusammenarbeiten, im Bereich der Außenpolitik, aber auch im Bereich der Wirtschaftspolitik, der Innenpolitik. Es gibt so viele Bereiche, wo Großbritannien, das Vereinigte Königreich und wir eng zusammenarbeiten können, noch enger als in der Vergangenheit. Und lassen Sie mich vielleicht einen Punkt ganz besonders nennen. Ich freue mich, dass wir eine Vereinbarung darüber treffen konnten, dass Schülerinnen und Schüler, Studentinnen und Studenten in Zukunft einfacher nach Großbritannien kommen können und umgekehrt einfacher nach Deutschland kommen können, damit insbesondere die junge Generation eine Gelegenheit hat, die beiden Länder besser kennenzulernen und dass dies auch eine gute Basis ist für die weitere Entwicklung unserer Beziehungen in den nächsten Jahren und Jahrzehnten. Noch einmal, ich bin wirklich sehr dankbar und ich bin stolz darauf, dass wir dies heute gemeinsam tun können. Many thanks again. I'm really grateful to be here.
Fantastic.
Thank you, Keir. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm delighted to have the opportunity to be here with the Foreign Minister, the Foreign Ministers, the Foreign Secretary that is, to have the opportunity to sign this treaty with you, Prime Minister. It is indeed a historic day and a historic event with regard to our bilateral relations. It's also for me personally an honour, Prime Minister, to be here with you today in this fantastic museum, which bears the name of two personalities that happen to have a special importance for both our countries, the United Kingdom and Germany, that is. Our aim, our objective is to enhance our cooperation, to make it even deeper and closer, especially after Britain decided to leave the European Union. This treaty has been long overdue, if I may say so. Our aim, our objective is to cooperate more closely in the area of defence, foreign policy, but also in the areas of economic policy and domestic issues, interior policy, that is. There is a whole host of areas, indeed, I believe, where both our countries can cooperate more closely than they have done already. There's one point that I'd like to make especially, and that is I'm pleased to be able to announce that we've been able to agree today on facilitating the exchange, the mutual visit of pupils and students to our respective countries, British students to come to Germany and German students to come and visit the United Kingdom. Because I believe it's very important for the young generation especially to get to know each other, to get to know the other country and the people living there. I believe that to be a sound foundation, a good basis for the further development of our relations. Again, Prime Minister, I'm very grateful and I'm proud to be here with you today on this occasion. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you again.
Again.
Really good.
So,
Thank you.
Thank you.